friends in the workshop. Monica here. I hope you're all finding time in your day to get crafty. And today I am going to present our first little project very quick. And I want you all to find time. And here is the project. Dun, da, da. We've got these little 3D pop-up butterflies. I'm very excited about these. I've been working on them. You'll be able to get these done very quickly. The video that's going to come after I finish talking will go through the whole process, how you can do this with or without a die cutting machine. But these just came out really fabulous. You can go ahead. This is the one we're going to do in the video, okay? It's using the alcohol inks that we have the video on already. You can add glitter and just your own style. These are other papers that I had on hand that kind of go with the book. So I did a bunch of these. So make sure that you add your personality, and I want to see everybody attempt at least one, okay? So give me one this week. And save all your little things. Remember, I say don't throw anything away. I even save these little parts that I punch out. Yeah, I know, I get a little crazy with this, but I'm going to probably do these in a little confetti project that I'm going to have coming up, either this month's project or maybe next month's. Let's see what I get around to doing. But go ahead, watch the video, tell me what you think, and post pictures. I look so forward to seeing them, and thank you for being here. I appreciate all of you, and here we go. Talk to you soon. Hello, 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 everybody. Monica here at Handmade Bay. Thank you for joining us for another crafting today. So I wanted to show you with working on the Mother's Day projects, and I figured I would show you how to add a little pop-up butterfly. All right, so we're starting off with some die cuts. Now I did these on my Cricut, as you can see, okay? But if you don't have a die cutting machine, you can do this by hand. You can trace a butterfly on regular paper and cut it out, okay? So I did these in white, but you can use different colored papers, anything you want to use. Okay, I did white, just I'm going to actually use some ink dyes for these and make them kind of tie-dye. We have that ink, alcohol ink video that I did. We did that a couple of weeks back. All right, so I'm going to take my butterflies off. And usually I will bend the mat and pull these off, but being that there are cutouts on this and it is delicate in some parts, I'm going to do it that way. And if you do have a Cricut, in the Cricut design space, there is these butterflies for free, so you can use them, okay? I tried to clean up a little bit here for you guys, but I usually always have a mess going on in my craft room, so excuse me. Okay, so what we're going to do here, we're going to pop all the fun stuff out. And again, if you're going to do your own design, you can go ahead and do little cuts out like that. Okay, so I'm going to work on this and then I'll be right back. Okay, so I got them all separated. And when I'm cutting them on my machine, I always cut a few extras. These, obviously I didn't put the paper on correctly. So, but these are still good because I can sit here now and test out different things on them, colors or whatever I want to do. All right, so what I'm going to do here, I'm just going to put a little blue on this one. Okay, a little tie. Put something down, don't use your good mat like I am doing right now. I'm going to regret doing this, so I'm going to move this. And I'm going to start dyeing these, okay? And I will be back. Okay, so my butterflies are all dry, and we're going to show you how to make them into the 3D. Okay, so it all depends on how you want to put them in your journal. Okay, I'm going to show you this one. What we want to do is bend them, or fold them, bend, fold, whatever you want to call it. We want to do it right at the edge of the wing and to the body, okay, because that's where a butterfly naturally folds its wings, right? So I'm going to take it on my holder. Let me see, can you see this? Okay, I'm trying to come in a little closer for you. Okay, oh there you go. Okay, so we're going to do, and I'm a lefty, so I'm going to try to get this so you can see it. I'm going to just put a little score there. And you see how the wing automatically came up there? Look, just scoring it. Let's see if I can get you up. Pop that wing right up. Look at that. Okay, you don't even have to do anything. All right, so now I'm going to do the other wing. I'm going to get it on the score line in that dip where you're going to do the line, okay? And I'm going to score it. And take a look at that. Pretty, right? Okay, so I'm going to do that one. Now I'm going to do another one. I'm hoping I am in focus here for you. Okay, here we go. That's better. I'm going to take it. I'm going to do the same thing. Now this one's a little more decorative. It's a little more fragile, but get it on the line so we're straight. Try to get it in the fold. It didn't work going to the end here. See? Okay, so that's straight. This isn't straight on here, but the line that I need is straight. So we're going to go ahead and do that. Look at that, popped right up by itself. Okay, and let's see, maybe if I turn it this way, you can see better. And I'm going to line up our dip line there. So that one's a little off, but no big deal. Okay, so look at that. Okay, so I'm going to do that again. I'm going to do it on all of these. Okay, I think I turned too much here on you, didn't I? There we go. I'm going to line up on the dip. Okay, and that popped up. Now we're going to do this one. Moved on me. Okay, I want to make sure I don't get this crooked. Okay. And there you go. There's another one. Okay, so let me zoom out a little bit. Okay. All right, so the ones that I did here, and again, alcohol inks. So here is a plain one. You can put this on there. Okay, and you can pop this up as much as you want, but what you're going to do is you're going to glue the middle part here, the body, okay? And there's a technical term, I don't know what it is, so maybe one of you can. So I'm going to go ahead. Just put a little, you don't need a lot. And I don't glue the antenna down. I leave those free. And actually there's nothing to glue them down to, so I'm going to line up. And this isn't going to be perfect because it doesn't have to be perfect, right? Okay, and I'm going to let that dry. And what I do want to make sure though, before it dries, just make sure and that the wings are not going to be glued down, okay? You want them to be free. I was just looking for my tweezers. All right, so you see how these are up? Okay, and there you go. Now you can put a third one up. I'm going to put a third one in there and make it 3. You could do that too. Actually, let me do that since I'm showing you, telling you. Okay, so we're going to glue this on. All right, so this is really quick and easy. And remember, for these this challenge project, I said we do some really quick stuff. And this you can even do with the kids. Have fun with the kids. Would love to do this, okay? And this is even, I didn't give away next month's challenge, but you'll be able to use these for that too. So if you don't get around to it for this one, or want to do this challenge, you still have something cute to do for spring and summer, okay? So I'm just going to get those up because I like the effect of the wings being up, okay? And this, for next month's challenge, these are going to come in handy. So if you want to make a few extras, make them, because I have a fun one I'm working on right now that I hope works out, because I think you guys will like it. So see, we can put these on any page, and I think I'm going to put it in this one because this one has butterflies on it. So let's see. And you can put them on your tags. How cute would that be? All right, tag can come out. All right. Now, when you put these in here, yes, they may flatten a little, but they should pop back up, okay? I would not put this in the book yet. Let these sit for a day or two just to get, you know, they get oriented in how they're supposed to sit, so they'll pop back up. There is a way that you can, see this isn't dry yet, so I can't do that. I'm working on something where you can put something there and they'll stay up. I think a little piece of sticky foam will be good in there, so I'm going to try a few different things and I'll show it to you, but I just wanted to show you this one. All right, you can get started on making these and just get them assembled, and then I will be showing you some new stuff with them. All right, but just really cute, and you could even use it on the cover. How cute would that be? Okay, so get to it. I hope you like this one really quick, and I'll see you next time. Remember, we're all on this journey together. Let's make it a creative one. See you next time.